Hey guys, it is Andrea and today I am coming at you with this week's new releases. I am super excited about this week's releases because we do have 3 exclusive art kits, so you will not find these art collections, this art in the collections anywhere else, and we do have some foil items along with a wiggle. So let's go ahead and get into the wiggle first. So this week's wiggle is a really pretty sparkly gold. Let me go ahead and show you guys this. I'm probably gonna post on Instagram a little bit of a better like outside look of this, but I love this super sparkly gold. I'll show you guys against some gold items from the shop so you can kind of see the color difference. So that is our regular gold versus this super pretty sparkly gold. Gonna be great for the holidays and pretty much any time that you want to use gold in a spread. So this is the clear wiggle, so you have the inverted bows on the bottom along with the twinkle on the top for the 15mm overlay. You do have the sampler page, the full box overlays, the headers, the photo corners, the icons, and then the date numbers. I am looking to do like a lot of big changes towards the end of the year and the beginning of next year, like just in the shop, and I'm so excited. You guys have no idea, but there's like some crazy big changes, like big changes coming, and I'm really excited, so stay tuned for that. So that is the wiggle. This wiggle is available for $10 for the all 5, or you can buy the individual sheets for $2, and this goes available Wednesday at noon Eastern, and it is so pretty. So that is the wiggle. Then the rest of these releases will be available Friday at noon Eastern. The wiggle does come down if it doesn't sell out prior to the new releases going up, so definitely get your hands on that prior. But let's go ahead and go through this week's release. I don't even know really where to start. Actually, let's start with the foil. So the foil, I'm so excited for this week. So this is all kind of like Thanksgiving fall themed. So first thing we have is the Thanksgiving weekend type bucket list. I'll show you in silver since it's the easiest to see on camera. So here is the bucket list with just a couple of items that you may use on Thanksgiving weekend. Super cute, and it will be available in all 4 foils. There's also some full box overlays that are quotes, and you won't find these hand lettered quotes anywhere else. Super pretty. Then there is also a sampler. So we did do one of these for Halloween, and this one is more of a fall themed, and it's the same thing where it has the 2 full boxes, it has a bunch of deco pieces, and then it has the 7 headers. I will be doing for 24 hours, this will be $2, and then after 24 hours it'll go back to its regular price, like I did with the Halloween one. And all of the in-shop items will also be available for unlimited stock for 24 hours like last week as well, all of these items here. So let's go ahead and go through these. The first one, like I was just talking about Thanksgiving, is our Thanksgiving kit for this year. This is our only exclusive art, so you won't find this art anywhere else that we plan to do. Obviously, like I say, with all of the holidays and seasons and things like that, I do not know what other artists have planned to release, so I don't know if I will have another one and what's up with that. So this is just kind of a Thanksgiving type scene. I love the 2 girls, I love the colors, I love the wood patterns throughout, very like warm and just like all over autumny with the different flowers and the turkey. I'm in love. The game plan list, because that's me every Thanksgiving, and I just love these colors. So fall, but I still feel like you could use, you know, gold with it. And you could also use rose gold with it. Hold on, let me show you the full boxes. I feel like you could use rose gold with it, which would be really pretty. I feel like you could do gold with it and it'd be really pretty. But I also feel like, I mean, hollow, you could do whatever you want. But I think also silver would be really pretty with it. So I think it's one of those kits that you could kind of use any foil color for it, and it would be really pretty. So these are the ombre heart checklist, your functional page, your half boxes page, your page with the extra box over here, which is kind of like a tablescape, a flat lay. You have your little things page, your headers page, you tons of deco over here with more functional items, and then your bottom washi. There is also the option if you do want to add on the 15mm. This is kind of like a really pretty cranberry color. Love that. There's also the option if you want to add on the label sampler, and then there's also the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. Gorgeous collection. I cannot wait wait to use this. It's like quintessential fall colors, but like a little bit more modern. So love this so much. And I love this girl's outfit, and then her hair, like ombre hair, is super, super cute. So that is, I believe I just called it, did I call it Thanksgiving? Yes, it's called Thanksgiving. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that is available in an ultimate, but also a mini. So I'll go ahead and show you guys this mini. And then for the rest of the minis, they have the same format. So this is the full boxes page, the mini kit page with the half boxes, little things, quarter boxes, fancy labels, and the headers, functional page, deco page, and the bottom washi page, along with the Munchkin freebie, which I'm hoping to switch that up soon. I need to see what I want to switch it up with, but of course, some kind of like Munchkin thing. I love Marg, you guys know. Just said bye to her last night. It was so sad. Then we do have a kit here called Brave, and it's obviously based off of the movie Brave. I love Pixar, Disney, all the things, and this is perfect for fall, like perfect. And I love this color scheme. How adorable is this? I love this scene. I love the flannel. I love the blue, the orange, the browns. I love these little boys, so cute. The cookies. I think the scene is just like probably my favorite, but here is the freebie. I love this girl. Look, she's so pretty. Okay, so then you have the ombre heart checklist, you have the functional page, you have the half boxes page, you have the extra box here along with icons and more boxes, your little things page, your headers page, deco over here. I love this bear backpack. It is so cute. And then last but not least, you do have the bottom washi page. You do have the option if you want to add on the 15mm strip. You have the option if you want to add on the label sampler. And you have the option if you want to add on the glitter headers. So that is Brave. So that is the second collection. Before I forget, I also wanted to mention we did put up a bunch of foil packs into the shop. Whenever you're shopping maybe Wiggle or the new releases, check those out. I'm going to leave them in the new release section, but they are past Wiggles that have now been bundled and come to the shop. Here's the mini kit in case you wanted to see, but check those out, and I'll leave them in the new releases just in case you guys missed those. So this is the biggest fan, and I've gotten a lot of requests for sports kits, but there's honestly a lot of sports out there, so I tried to, like, as much as possible generalize sports to kind of give you guys a kit that kind of is as general, like I said, as possible. I don't know a lot of things about sports, but I consulted a lot of people who do know things about sports, and they all like this art, so I'm really excited about it. So this is, again, exclusive art. You will not see this art anywhere else like the rest of the kits, and I am obsessed with this art. Like, how cute is this? Never did in my life did I think I wanted to use a sports kit. The faux glitter throughout, like the printed glitter, is like a really cool, like hollow rainbowy color, which is fun. You could definitely use hollow with this. I feel like silver would look really cool. I think like some of like the fun colors, like even the gold from this week would look really cool. Like a sparkly gold, you could do a sparkly red, sparkly hollow. Yes, I'm here for all of it. So you have your ombre art checklist, you have your functional, you have your half boxes page, you have your extra full box here, which is so cute, and the icons. You can kind of see that like faux glitter in there a little bit better. You have the little things, the headers. I love these patterns. I love the amount of white in the kit. It really makes a lot of these colors pop and not feel as overwhelming. Gonna look amazing with some bougie boxes. If you guys missed that announcement on my Instagram, I do have bougie extenders. Where are they? Let me show you. I have bougie extenders now. So like we have the day extenders. These are pre-bougied, and I made them a really amazing price. Along with bougie boxes, I have changed the price of bougie boxes, and I was able to do that because you guys have loved on them so hard that I felt confident in purchasing a very large quantity, so I wanted to pass along the bulk discount to you guys, and I decreased the price by like $1 per page, or maybe even more. I think it was like $1 per page, so I want everyone to be able to bougie their planners, so definitely check those out as well. I did post a little video and like clip and like post on Instagram if you guys want to see. So you have a ton of deco over here, so dang cute. This kit is adorable. And then I love this bottom washi. It is so pretty with the kind of like, I guess kind of like subway tile with like the rainbow sparkly bits throughout. And again, the little munchkins are adorable. Again, you have the 15 millimeter option, which I love this red. It's so pretty, so unique. You have the glitter header add-on if you want to add that on. You have some fashion girls if you want to add these on. Kept the jerseys white if you feel so inclined. It would be pretty cool if you colored them with whoever or whatever jersey colors. I'm not like a big sports person, but I thought that'd be kind of cool. So you have some fashion girl options. You have the label sampler option. And then probably my most favorite option is this right here. So you kind of have like a double tall box, which I think would kind of be cool with like a day extender. If you like folded this and put the day extender on here and then it like kind of like half flipped. Do you know what I mean? So if you folded this and then put the day extender flat, so then the day extender went like that, I think it would look really cool. If you guys want me to do like a demo on Instagram or just kind of show you how that would look, let me know. But this is super cute. I love this like cute little scene of the girls. I just love each and every one of them for like different reasons. Like I love her hair and I love her nose and I love just her like pose. Super cute, and their Nikes are adorable. So over here you have 4 different boxes, and they're kind of, I guess, kind of like occasion boxes. So each one has a different ball in it. So this one has a soccer ball, a basketball, a football, and then a baseball. So you can kind of use them separately, or if you want to just do kind of like a full-blown all type of sports kit, you just throw them all in, and they're super cute. You have a lot of different elements in there. I do really love the Diet Coke quite a bit, along with the pom-poms. They might be my favorite elements. But I don't know. It's really hard sometimes whenever I look at these kids, because I also really love these girls together. Like, they're super cute. Look over them in their yellow outfits. But I really love this Diet Coke. It has like kind of like a rainbow look to it, which I love. So that is everything for this kit. So again, this is like an a la carte page as well, but definitely can extend this kit as well with that many options for add-ons. You got the fashion girls, you got those boxes. So many. So that is the ultimate kit for biggest fan, and it also will be available in a mini kit. I'm probably going to use this for whenever Brie gives birth, because Brie like loves football like an unhealthy amount. This is a mini kit, but she loves football, so I think that'd be cute to use a like sports kit for the week that she gives birth. Yeah, so I think that'd be fun. So that is everything. I did want to give a quick shout out if you went to the Scribble Prince Co. planner party. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. It was super, super fun, and it went super smoothly, and I was so happy with the way that everything turned out and how happy everyone was, and watching all of you guys on Instagram and meeting up and kind of like making new friends. I thought that was super cool, and I got to see a lot of my friends and things like that, and you know, Bree and Bruce got to go, which was really cool. They've known me since, you know, middle school, which is crazy. And then afterwards, Jessica, Bree, Bruce, and Mark stayed at my house for a couple of days, and we got to kind of hang out, and it was just overall really good. So like I said, I hope you guys like this week's new release video. This wiggle will be available Wednesday at noon Eastern. The rest of the releases will be available Friday at noon Eastern. Again, these 3 collections, we have Biggest Fan, we have Brave, and we also have Thanksgiving, are exclusive art, so you will not see this art anywhere else. I did see a couple of art collections that came out this week, and honestly, I'm just like really tired. So we've had these on the ready, so I was just pulled those out, and we're like, let's do these. But I probably, the ones that I've seen that I like, I'm probably going to use for monthlies and release those next week. So I'm not going to do them in kits, but do them in monthlies. So I hope you guys like this video. I'm going to try and get back on my YouTube schedule. But I hope you guys like it, and I'll talk to you guys in my next one.